In an age where everyone carries a smartphone camera in their pocket, does that automatically make you a creator? A creator isn't just someone with a camera, it's someone with passion. Passion that fuels creation. Passion that drives the unexpected, the surprising, the unforgettable. True creators tell stories that captivate, inspire, and move us. Stories born from passion touch our heart and shape the world around us. Passion is the highest form of energy in human beings. In its purest form, it gives us the power to achieve the impossible. Passion creates. It creates the most mesmerizing short film, the silliest, most unexpected viral video. It creates the automobile that takes us beyond the limits of our own 2 feet. It creates the massive machines that lift us into the sky and carry us across the world. It creates the tiny device in our pocket that let us listen, connect, film, and share. So the question is, are you a creator? Passion creates.